First things first, put on your gloves. The blades get awfully hot when you start sharpening. So now here I'm just kind of cleaning them off, trying to get the angle right. I've got my grinding wheel adjusted down close as it can get to the table, and I don't quite have the angle right here. As you see, there's actually kind of a guide on this sharpener, so you see now I'm kind of getting it right here. You just kind of got to get a feel for it. It's also a good idea to have a fire extinguisher handy. As you can see, quite a few sparks get thrown with this as well. Now here I finally have the angle right. So here you go. This is a perfect angle. I don't have to take a whole lot off the blade, so get that nice sharp edge. Now this is a little trick of the trade here. When you can't find your cone balancer, use a screwdriver, and you can see if it tilts one side or the other, then you need to grind some more off of one side or the other. Whatever's tilting downwards, take some more off. So. Now, periodically while you're grinding, you might have to lower the actual grinding wheel so that it keeps that same edge. So, as you saw there, I cranked the little handle to bring the wheel down to the table.